Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Pleaser. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Today is Muhurat trading, so just wanted to close the day in green. So that was one thing, and also that I'm here to publish my monthly P&L for the educational account. I'm going to show the monthly P&L and show how consistency and risk reward is going to give us make us a profitable trader, right? This is purely for educational purpose. So with that, let's dive into our today's live trading session. So what was the levels for today's intraday trading? It's not exactly an intraday trading, but then it is just trading for 1 hour muhurat trading. I just wanted to close. I just wanted to do a little bit of small trade and then close in green, nothing else. Okay, so what are the levels for today's Muhurat trading? These are pretty much the same levels that I have drawn for the previous trading session. But then this line over here, you can see that there is a shift in the structure, market structure. So before this, it was this move was a bullish move, and then there is a shift in the structure, right? So you can see that it made low, and then that low was broken over here, and then it was trading in the negative territory, and this can be our mitigation block. Okay, here below this swing, it has collected the liquidity towards the end of yesterday's trading session. It started moving up. Okay, so these are the 2 points that we can make, and there was a swing broken as well this side. Okay, so it's a tough place to trade actually. So on this side there is a structure shift, and the downside also there is a structure shift, and the price opened in between, right? So as soon as price opened here today, it showed a little bit of bullishness and tapped into this mitigation block over here. And if I observe the premium was like call was not moving anywhere. You can see that just within the first 1 minute there was a little bit of a momentum, but then after that it was nowhere, it was moving. That means that this move in the chart was because of buying happening in the stocks, and there was no action absolutely in the future and options space. If you see the future chart also, so this is the future chart. You can see this is the starting candle of today. You can see that since from the opening it was showing the negative price action. If you go to spot chart, you can see that since from the opening it was showing bullishness for the first two candles, two three candles at least, right? So that means that buying was happening in stocks. There is no action whatsoever in future and options, right? With that, I was waiting for a proper confirmation to buy put at least. Okay, so then you can see that the first confirmation is that it entered into this mitigation block over here. The first confirmation we got. Second confirmation, what we need as a second confirmation? Second confirmation we need as a price action, right? So you can see that there is a rejection here, but then there is an immediate rejection towards the upside also, and second time there is a rejection in the rejection from the top, and there is a hammer. Okay, ideally we could have gone for this target, but today there is only 1 hour trading. So as soon as it goes into green, I wanted to exit. That was the only plan today. With that, I made a profit of around 1400 in dhan with just 60 quantity I have traded, and then some 700, and overall it's like 2000 of profit in both the accounts today, just to close in green. Okay, and that was that. And if I show you the monthly P&L, you can see that this is, so in this account I'm trading from October 1st, and then you can see, so what are the two things that matters to become a profitable trader, right? So first thing is the win rate, second thing is the risk reward. Guys, remember this. So the win rate is actually good. out of 19 trading days, I have only 5 losing days. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this one is also like a cost to cost day only, but then it is only charges gone. I mean, it is also some cost to cost. Okay. Now this one there is no trading actually, so I have just bought some 15 quantity and then I have quickly exited. I don't want to trade on this day. So hardly there is 4 losing days and then 15 winning days, right? Out of 19 trade days. Okay. So the win rate is good. What about risk reward? So you can see that while losing, I have lost 5,000, 2,000, 1,500 around 12,000, 3,000. So those were my losing days. Winning days, I'm winning like 15,000, 13,000, 17, 13, 10,000, 4,000, 8,000. So in terms of risk reward as well, it is pretty good. You can see that here 17 trades I have taken. You can see that it's a almost cost to cost day, but I'm paying here more charges. 18 trades over here. You can see that I'm into 10,000 loss, but I'm paying overall 12,000 of loss, including the charges as well. So here also you can see that 113 trades. Again, I can, as I said, need not be the number of trades, but this is number of orders actually, buy and sell orders. In one trade, there can be 10 orders as well. So buy 5 buy orders where I will be averaging or pyramiding and 5 sell trades as well. That can happen. Okay. So in that way, you can see that though I am into green, 3,400 I made on this particular day, but then paying more than that as a charges. But over trading is not at all suggested. On this particular day, I have taken only one trade, 13,340 is what I made. But then you can see after going charges also, I'm still making 13,200. That means that hardly 150 rupees of charges. So that's how we need to plan. And then last week it was really good. All 5 days of the week were into green, and this was a performance. And what was a capital I'm using? I'm using 4 lakhs of capital. I don't ever use all the capital, so I will deploy only. So the hardly I'm buying in this month in this educational account is kind of what 90 to 150 quantity. Whenever I'm buying one more 90 or one more 150 quantity. That's all I'm doing, right? So hardly 90 to 150 quantity is the average quantity that I'm trading, right? So apart from that, I made a profit of around 1 lakh, which is coming around, 27 or 30%, right? And then in the other account, so for example, in this Zerodha account, I'm trading with just 1 lakh over here, and you can see that somewhere around 37,000 of profit. So on an average, on 5 lakhs, I made a profit of around close to 1 lakh 40,000, right? So somewhere around 28% of profit that I have generated, the net profit I have generated after the charges and taxes. Okay. So that was a performance in the last month. So that is how you have to plan. Like, let's say if you have 4 lakhs of capital, you are just buying for all the 4 lakhs and losing. Let's say if you are doing that, if you lose like some 30 points also, you are going to blow up your account with just 10 losing trades in a series. Okay. That is not suggested. You need to manage your capital quite well and then plan for the best risk reward and the win rate as I'm showing it here. Okay. That is the only mathematical equation that you need to satisfy to become a profitable trader in the long run. Okay. Having said that, let's dive into our Muhurat trading session. See you there. Thank you. Hi all, wish you all a very happy Diwali. Welcome to Muhurat trading session. And this line is there is a small structure change in the yesterday's trading, and today it is opening above this line that I have drawn. And yeah, hopefully uh, we will try to see if price sustains above this line to go long or if it enters into the mitigation block and then shows a rejection, we'll try to go short. And not a huge expectation that we have for today. Market has just opened and showing some bullishness right in the beginning itself. And yeah, I can see there is not much action in the premium, but let's see. So the expectation is not to hold and try to capture more points. Rather, we'll just try to close in green, and with very less quantity, just to close in green on Muhurat trading, right? Nothing else. Let's see. Let me draw the mitigation block over here. So this would be the mitigation block that I have drawn, and price has enters into this, and there is a structure shift both the sides, and price is right now, opening was right in between these two zones, a very tough place to trade actually. But then we have to trade with whatever setup we have, right? So the first confirmation I got is that the price enters into the mitigation block, the above side, the one that I have just drawn. And if I see a rejection from the top, like an inverted hammer or whatever it is, a wick rejection and all that, I will short immediately and try to capture some 20 to 30 points. That's all I wanted to do with a very less quantity. Okay, let's see how it goes. Now I got the confirmation in terms of price action as well, guys. You can see that there is an inverted hammer formed, and right in the mitigation block. So I will try to buy here the put. Just a 60 quantity in the other account as well. It's just 30 quantity I just wanted to buy for Muhurat trading, right? So I just bought 60 quantity of 51,900 put over here. Okay. As I said, there won't be a huge amount of expectations. Just 20 to 30 points is more than enough for today's trading. All right. Let's see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. We got nice bit of momentum in the put premium, guys. You can see that. Okay. Just closed the position now. Okay. With that, small profit of around 1400 in done, and 700 change, and overall profit of around 2100 for Muhurat day trading. And then with that, hope you have learned something in terms of capital management and how to be profitable over end of the month, by properly maintaining the risk reward and the win rate, right? So hope you have liked today's session, and keep subscribing, liking and sharing the videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.